You know, there are alternatives to professional tray whitening systems, and they're very noteworthy because we find that many people don't have the time to donate to tooth whitening as once thought. It's very difficult sometimes for people to find just even an hour out of their day to sit with trays on their teeth. What has become a popular means of tooth whitening now are the trayless and stripless methods. For instance, the pens that are becoming very popular. This is a technique whereby you have the peroxide gel in the pen, which gets distributed onto that brush. The wonderful thing about this product is, again, you would then be able to apply it to all teeth surfaces that you want to whiten, and that includes getting in between teeth as well. It includes targeting specific teeth if you need to, more than others, and it can allow you to get to as far back in an arch as necessary. Once you apply this whitener onto the teeth, it immediately dries. It forms an invisible bond, basically an invisible strip, if you will. And that bond will stay working and whitening teeth for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once it wears off, you don't need to be by a sink in water. There truly is no dedication or commitment to staying home. You could be off to work, you could be off shopping. When it wears off, there's no distasteful taste in your mouth. It is purely pleasant, you won't even notice. But what you'll find is, after that 30-minute period of time, is that you will have whitened teeth. The more frequently you use the product, and it is a once-a-day method of application, the more whitening results you'll notice. And this can be done for up to 14 days, is what the pen actually has a supply of.